Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to log in to Robinhood in just a few quick steps. I'll be showing you the mobile app version. Start by launching the Robinhood app from your device. You'll find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. The app should open straight to the login screen. Once you're there, tap the login button at the bottom center of the screen. You'll see the email and password fields appear. In the first field at the top, enter your registered email address or username. If you've got autofill set up with facial recognition or fingerprint, you can use that instead of typing. Your email or username should now be visible in the field. Next, move down to the password field just below and enter your password. You can type it manually or use biometric verification if your device supports it. The characters will show up as dots for security. Now tap the sign in button below the password field. The app will start the verification process. Here's where two-factor authentication kicks in. Robinhood requires this for all new devices. You'll see a verification code request appear on screen. The most common method is a one-time code sent via text message to your registered phone number. Enter that code when you receive it. If you're logging in from a device you've used before, you might get a notification on your approved devices asking you to approve or block the login attempt instead. Just tap approve on one of those devices. If you don't receive the text code, tap I need help. At the bottom, you'll get options to resend the code or verify using a different method like an authenticator app. Once you've entered the correct verification code, the app will complete the login process. Your Robinhood dashboard will load, showing your portfolio, account balance, and recent activity. Two quick tips: two-factor authentication is mandatory every time you log in from a new device, but once that device is verified, you can stay logged in and won't need to enter the code again unless you log out. Also, your account data syncs in real time, so any trades or changes you make will appear instantly if you're logged in on multiple devices. Hope this helped. If it did, drop a like and subscribe. See you next time.